timer ha. Tayo, kita. Kahit pa na, konting ano tayo.
Dai! Yung ministro sa mga naka-respect.
Clarification na, win-lose lang ang i-record dahil hindi stats ha. Baka mag-expect kayo. Yung win-lose lang. Para may ranking kung ilan yung mga win-lose sa Uncle Drew.
Ngayon lang yan, Kuya. Ngayon simula.
Parang ano yan,
Makawin na agad ako.
nakawin na agad kami.
Good start, good start.
Ano ba score kanina?
Ewan ko. Malaki ata eh.
Laki talaga ang bilis eh.
Number 7.
Agad ba ito na, Brian?
3 points siya.
Number 8. Number 0.
Number 8 again.
Number 8, nakahanap. Fake news content, may pasok ng number 0. Or 3 points, wala. Rebound by number 99. Pato number 0, Kagalasin. Juani Rivera. Si anak. Pull up. Wala, return 99 to Zulon. Number 10. Fake news content, floater, wala. Leon for 2. 0 crossover between the legs, Pastor with the gadget for 3 points, it's good. Score is 5. Out of box. Dian to Jason. Up to Dian again for 3 points. Wala, limang try. Wala for 2 points. 15. Wala. Wala ulit. 19. Number 0. Konting pelo lang, sabay kuha ni number 99, fake news. Pass to number 7. Number 7.
Parang ano ah.
Tineo yan. Mula Tineo. Number 10 or 2 points. Anak, or 3, pull up, wala. Sa kanya uli, anak. Konting fake news, advantage, wala. Glasses, pass to number 7. Then back to Glasses to number 0. 0 or 3. Score 11-9, favor of Dorsai. Dian, naghahanap. Naghahanap kasi. Pasa kay Jason. Jason naghahanap din. Hiningi ng screen, pass to Kuya Alondera, tatay. Pass to Jason. Jason again for 3. Wala, rebound by number 10. Number 10. Pass to Ayo Classes. For 3 points, wala. Rebound di anak. Take two. Pull up. For 2 points. All 11 ang score natin. Number 7 to number 10. 10. Pinus. Wala. Wala Dian. Jason. Wala. Out of bounds. Ora, last 4 minutes before tennis court. Block, pass to number 7 for 3 points. Wala ka po, 3 points kay Tatay. Tatay, 3 points ni Hero. Block for 3. Wala. 3 points ulit ni Tatay. Tapos ni Glasses Boy. Glasses Boy. Ingat sa salamin, kuya. Ah. Baka masira yan. Nalalay lang po. Jason, naka-play. Wala pa rin. Awitea. Ito sa number 7. Ano? Paso anak, anak. Subscribe ka Awitea. Naka-play. 13-11. Lamang kayo.
Lamang ang backside.
Lamang lahat. 0 for 3. Wala rin po ni Tatay. Tatay, paso diyan. Paso anak, paso diyan. For 2, wala pa rin. Turi mo ni Tatay, paso anak. Out of bounds. Ay glasses for 3, wala. 0 sa gitna. For 2 points, boarding. Go. Anak, paso Jason, tulong, wala pa rin. Number 0. 0. Konting ikot-ikot lang. Pass to 10. Gulon, ulok, wala. Bigod to number 7. Pass to eyeglasses. Pass to number 0. Faceless contest. Sabay tagat. Pass to gulon. Again, gulon. Tumalaksak. Foul. Off. Okay lang ba yun? Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Change court. Eyeglasses to 99. Pull up konti. Good. Score 15-13 lamang na ang door side. Jason, Basidian, pull up, wala. Rebound by number 0. Passing dribble lang. Pass to number 10. Pass again D. Number 7 for 3 points. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Gian. Sumasalak na kasi. Stopper konti. Right-handed. Wala. Out of bounds. Last 45 seconds. Change court. Score 15-13.
Pagkagaling sa harap.
Last 30 seconds, change court. Number 7, pass to number 10 for 3. Wala rin pa number 4 to Gian. Sabi kaya, wala. Uy! Ano yun? Okay na po yun? Gian for 2.
4,
3, 2,
3.
1. Change court muna mga kapatid.
Kalat na.
Okay lang yan, pre. Marami pagkakataon para bumawi. Score 15-13. Wala pa kayo.
Hindi, per player yung ranking. Kumari magkaiba na. Kasi limawa, iba't mo, ba't pwede yung window? Ay, diba kahit yung
Thank you, Pagkajian, Loader, ano? Eyeglasses for 3 points. Wala. Dapat by number 0. Number 0. Eurostep. Fade away konti. Wala. Ang taas mo pa doon, kuya. Bigay doon. For 2 points on 15. Number 10. Wala. Out of bounds. Score on 15. Last 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 7. Yusuf Conte. Pasa Gary. Kaliwa. Number 0. Katri. Uli. 7 uli. Joker. Wala pa 99. Wala pa rin. Number 4. Pass to Gian. Nakuha. Right-handed. Floater. Good. 17-15. Ball. Take ball. Number 10. Number 10. Vegas. Floater. Conte. Wala. Number 10. Pass to Lumera. Lumipad Conte for 2 points.
Uy! Kanino? Eh, kaya Alex.
Dapat tapos na rin yung drive niya.
Nakascore? Wala. Ay, hindi ko yung drive mo. Nata kay Game Drive. Sige lang kaya. Number 10. Natin nila muna. Iba pa yung Gian. Gian nakaplay. Pass to the Getty. Lumera. Pass to number 0 for the threat. Back to Gian the threat for 3 points. Huminga pa konti. For 3. Wala talaga. Number 99. 99. Konting back. Pass to Dalon. Eurostep. Back to 99 for 2 points. Good. Score 19-17 in favor of Dorside. Konting break lang. Mga kapatid.
Kailan ko matrush it? Ito may crush it.
Game na yan, guys. Running time tayo. Last 5 minutes. Rebound by Jason. Pass to Lumera for 2 points is good. High glasses. Number 12, high glasses. High glasses is on up. Pass to number 99. Yusuf. Fly high, kapatid for 2 points. 21-19. Jason. Pass to Lumera. Lumera back to Jason for 3 points. Wala talaga. Number 99 to number 10. Number 10, right down to Leon. Wala rin kami number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 0 for 3. Wala rin kami Lumera. Out of bounds. Uy, wala. Back to number 0. Pass to Jason. Closer. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 099. Konting layup Iwan. All 21 hours for natin. Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Sakto. Lumera. Tulo. Wala pa rin. Iban may number 0. Number 0. Taplak. Sabay sugo ulit. Sabay. Pasagedi. Number 10. Big news. Number 10. Back to 0. For 2 points. Namakakain na dalawa. Last 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Wow, coaching dribbling skills. Parang nasa training lang, ano? Back to number 4. Pass to Gishon. Pass to number 7. Still by number 7. Sumagat siya. Pass to 0. Ay glasses. Wala. Rebound by Gian. Last 3 minutes. Gian for 3. Wala. Rebound by Jason. Jason. Back to Gian. Pass it again. Lee. Masakit number 46 na. Oras. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Score on 23-21. Lamang ang backside for 2 points. Wala pa rin. Di ba ito yung number 4? Tumbera for 3. Wala pa rin. Di ba ito 99? Floating take lang. Closer. Wala. Off. Ito pa pa-steal. Wow, what a steal move, ano? Number 0. What's the number 4? Gahanap. Pastusok po yung malaki. Number 0. Konting make lang. Sabay. Ganon. Wala pa rin. Di ba 99-99? Wow. For 2 points. Namagay na nga pa. 25-21. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Lumbera. Yung step bote. Pass to Gian. Ay tahan nyo. Counter. Wala. Uy. Hindi pa pa. Number 0 sa malaksak, kumali pa konti, wala ribot kay Gian. Gian sa malaksak, may sumabit sa konti. Napas, Jason. Pas si Gian, oy! Konting ingat tayo mga kapatid, last 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Pangayat si Gian. Swerte. Papatay yung sarili niya.
Jason nag-aanap ng screen play, wala talaga. Pass to number 4. Still by 99, medyo mabilis. Konting lipad lang. For 2 points, napang na kayo ng kansin. Last 1 minute. Rivera Bloomter, wala. Rebound by Dulon, number 10. Number
Kung mo si
10.
ka, papamatay ka palagi.
Wala. Si number 0 for 3 points. He's good. Lamang na kayo ng siya mga kapatid. Last 40 seconds. Gian. Wala pa rin. Okay ka lang, Dean. For 3. Lamang na kayo ng 13. Lamang na kayo ng 12 kapatid. Last 25 seconds. Lamang ng 12 ang backside. Out of bounds. Kalma lang tayo. Last 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final score, 36-21.